Hello and welcome back to the Slot3D-Slotting Made Simple video series. I'm Ireland, your host for today's video. In this video, I will be articulating exactly how Slot3D can help you economically. Slot3D brings the unique business value of a properly slotted warehouse that drives down operating costs and improves overall distribution efficiency. Proper slotting techniques usually provide a quick return on investment because it enables you to have higher productivity with fewer resources. This is especially true if slotting has been ignored or not recently performed. CS Engineering has greatly enhanced the process of providing a slotting solution by developing our own advanced slotting software, Slot3D. Our software allows us to provide you with all the benefits of a properly slotted warehouse, but in less time, and with the added bonus that we leave Slot3D with you at the end of the completed project. Slot3D's slotting algorithm is divided into three primary phases: costing, slotting, which is the initial setup of your warehouse, and optimization. Costing provides cost metrics that will be used in determining the most optimal location for your SKU in your warehouse. So step one is using order history or forecasted future sales. So Slot3D will look at a scenario time frame and rank the SKUs in demand order. So if you go into your slotting scenarios, you can notice that you have the ability to change the date range for which you want to run your scenarios. So in this case, we're running a baseline scenario from May 1st, 2005 to May 30th, 2005. Once the demand order is identified, each SKU is tested against the technology that is available within Slot3D to develop an overall costing for the SKU. So if you navigate to the Slotting Analysis tab, and it'll bring you to the Overview tab, and in this bottom row of tabs, click SKU Analysis. And here you can see I searched for SKU number 24. It has costed that SKU against all four types of technologies that are available within my warehouse. Here it has the total cost associated with storing that SKU in those types of technologies, and it even breaks it down into the picking cost, replenishment cost, and storage cost. Slotting matches SKUs to empty locations, and optimization relocates SKUs that are currently slotted in your warehouse to the most optimal location. Step 2 is slotting. Once the costing is completed in step 1, we can begin to identify where each SKU should be located within your warehouse. The software's goals are to understand what technology a SKU can be placed in to achieve the lowest cost without violating a client's predetermined business rules. SKUs are then placed into these locations until the target utilization is achieved. Step 3 is optimization, and the client can choose the level of optimization they would like achieved within slotting, and in this next clip I will show you how that can be achieved. So if you navigate to your Scenarios tab, and in this bottom row of tabs click Optimization. Here you can select the scenario that you would like to optimize, and then once you have customized your optimization settings for all of the scenarios that you would like to customize, you would just click Save and rerun your scenarios, and the optimizations would be applied. Optimization is often only used for the final passes of greenfield scenarios, as its level of refinement isn't usually required in the early stages of developing a facility slotting. Optimization is almost always used with a reslot scenario, because without it, the only effect of a reslot scenario is to fill any empty locations with currently unassigned SKUs. So that optimization truly is analyzing all aspects of your facility, all of your settings, and analyzing the lowest cost locations your SKUs can be placed in while still abiding by your business rules. Optimization has no effect on baseline scenarios because the slotting algorithm stops processing after loading the existing location data into the facility. Baselines are just a representation of your facility currently. Slot3D also has a deliverable Heatmap display. Visually displaying the results of a scenario allows a user to inspect the results versus expectations without any form of labor engagement. You can just visually get a big picture of what is going on within that slotting scenario. So for example, we can run a location report from our baseline. And if we look at the view from the southeast, and here's that location report, and we can see that the green boxes on this map are indicating the faster movers within your facility. Slot3D brings the unique business value of visualizing and stimulating layouts digitally in 3D before making costly physical changes to warehouse operations. Evaluate functional aspects, explore designs in context, and efficiently communicate layout options to key stakeholders. Another deliverable is approved work instructions. So the reslot scenario provides a cost-ranked slot moves report that shows how the warehouse operator can begin the conversion from current state baseline to the slot optimized reslotted warehouse. So that report can be found in your slotting guide, slotting analysis, overview, the Reslot Moves Report is a great work instruction guide for employees who would be moving the product, and it's also a great tool for those evaluating whether those proposed moves are valuable for your operation. And you can refer to the video within our Slot3D Slotting Made Simple video series that delves a little deeper into the Reslot Moves Report. Slot3D also brings the unique business value of increasing productivity and decreasing cost, optimizing SKU placement to minimize storage space, picking cost, and equipment procurement expenses. Slot3D offers many different types of deliverables. Using the comparative analysis, Slot3D is able to use the metrics provided by the user to define how to capture the savings. There are a host of reports within Slot3D that are aimed at helping you capture the savings that a optimally slotted warehouse can bring to you. Thanks for watching today's video, and be on the lookout for the next video in our series. You can connect with us on our other social media platforms. We are on LinkedIn at Slot3D, and we are on Facebook and YouTube at Slot3D Software. Thanks for watching, and stay on the lookout for the next video.